Before, you cannot see a single house in this area, all covered with palm trees and natural pool. And
Welcome, it is I, Dr. Neva, and this is a video of my mini tour around the island of Bahrain.
we used to come here, we take boat trip. We spend 1 day or two, 1 day here. We swim in the natural pool, frogs, turtles, and so on.
You swam with frogs and turtles?
No, in the side. But now, as you can see, no palm trees, nothing. You can see it's changed totally.
So this is a mosque.
Yeah, this is an island
What's the name of the island?
called Neva Saleh.
Okay. Cool.
Neva Saleh.
Okay.
Bahrain, as you know, it's composed of so many, a lot of islands. We have, I think, 33 islands.
Oh, so you have 33 islands in Bahrain?
in
Oh,
Bahrain.
okay.
This is one of them.
Okay.
Very small island. I'm gonna take you to really, it's most of the houses here, they're new.
Okay.
So this is not. I will. Yeah, it is it's an island, but I won't say it's a village. I'll take you to some places even.
Well, the island seems to be quite small.
Very small. Bahrain, all of Bahrain is. Total area of Bahrain is 600 square meters, I think. 600, 700 maybe. So Bahrain is very, very small. But as you can see, it's an island.
But it's funny, you know, I always look and I'm looking at all this water and the beauty, and you don't see anyone in it.
It's I mean, there's one is the quality of beaches here. As you can see, there's no beach. Traditions, a lot of people, they will not just sit and lie and, because they have enough sun. You don't need to lie by the beach. And the problem, even the beach itself is not clean. So a lot of people, they tend not to sunbathe. And some areas where it's really, really nice beaches, it's private. You cannot see or visit. But as you can see, it's an island. We're surrounded by water everywhere. I'll take you to really an a real village.
Okay.
Now you're gonna see, and you're gonna see a lot of flamingos.
Flamingos, okay, that's
a lot of flamingos.
All right, so let's go see the flamingos.
Okay. You end up see the flamingos.
Where are the flamingos? I don't see the flamingos.
Lot. I used to take my daughter every Friday. By the way, a lot of Bahraini people, they don't know this.
They don't know
they don't know there's a lot where the flamingos, lives or colonize and so on. Can you see this house? This one here. This is the one we built.
Oh, you built this house? Okay.
Yeah. On the right. This is the house. sold it for 120.
120,000 BD. Okay. Okay. You can see them?
See a heron here, a heron, big heron. Can you see the heron?
The what?
Heron.
What's an Aaron? Ah, okay.
I'll take you now to see. It's on the other side, but I'll take you that side.
Okay. So you said most of the people here did what? What type of jobs?
Fishermen and farming, but most of them fishing.
So is he fishing?
Yeah, this guy is checking his net. You see,
Oh wow.
Checking
Let's see
his
if I
net.
could go a little bit closer. This is cool.
No fish.
No fish. Well, the good thing he's walking in the water, so I could see how deep.
He got
You
some.
got a fish? Oh, look.
Oh, there are few actually.
Yeah. Oh man, I wish I could get closer.
See the flamingos? Yeah, hundreds of them. We'll go
Gotta
the
go
other
on the
side,
other side to see
and
them.
you'll see them there very close actually.
Okay.
But see, I'll say what, more than 100? See,
Yeah,
a
look
lot
at this,
of
guys. If you could look carefully, we're gonna go on the other side. There are a lot.
Even
of
here.
flamingos.
A lot of flamingos, a lot. Because here they feed on mangroves. We caught some actually.
Guys, isn't this beautiful? Beautiful.
That is different species of them on the other side. It's not only flamingos, yes. I think it's like type of heron.
Mm-hmm.
Another one.
Hey guys, so this is a burial ground. What catches me off guard is that, there's nothing like a gate to walk in. Pretty much we can park and walk onto the burial ground, but just wanted you to see it as well.
Export the oil to other countries worldwide. I'll show you now the oil rig, the wharf, where we export oil and aluminum.
Okay, so you export oil, aluminum.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you it in a minute.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video, like, and please do leave a comment. Until next time.